Hi, and welcome to another What's New in TekScope video. I'm going to tell you all about the new version 2.4. Now, before we dive into what's new, here's a quick reminder. I am on TechCloud.com. This is your hub to manage all your TekScope needs like downloading TekScope installer, buying, redeeming, and generating licenses. And by the way, TechCloud is also home to TekDrive, the test and measurement first file storage platform. TekDrive is built on top of robust security, collaboration features, online visualization of the waveform, and even has a great API for your automation needs. You can use TekDrive with TekScope installed on your PC and also directly on your scope. This is a great way to share files among your colleagues or just get files out of your scopes. Don't forget to try out your free 100 megabytes with your TechCloud account. Now back to TekScope. TekScope is a PC application. You can use it to view and perform scope analysis and measurement right on your PC. Or you can work live with a connected scope. In fact, connect multiple scopes and TekScope brings all their data back into a combined single view. You can start a free 30-day trial of any paid tier. And after your trial, you can either subscribe, that comes with maintenance, or buy a perpetual license and add maintenance extensions later on. You need an active maintenance period to upgrade to newer TekScope versions. Okay, so let's talk about what's new in the October 23 release, version 2.4. For the first time ever, TekScope PC now has a free license tier called TekScope Basic. It allows you to use TekScope as a waveform viewer and enjoy the great user interface of modern Tektronix scopes right on your PC. You can use cursors for basic measurements, use the zoom features, recall reference waveforms or session files, use TekDrive, and even lets you connect to any of the supported scopes. The basic tier does not have any measurement support. So when you import an offline file with measurements or connect to a scope with measurement badges, these measurements will not show up in your basic tier. Getting started is easy. Just log into your TechCloud.com account, go to My Accounts page. In the TekScope section, click Add, select Basic, and complete the process. Now all you have to do is download, install, and launch TekScope. Note the unique host ID and enter that into TechCloud.com and generate a license using the newly activated basic tier. The next update only applies to you if you have a TekScope perpetual license. Starting with this release, your license should have an active maintenance period to upgrade. To know your current license maintenance expiration date, go to your account page in TechCloud, then select your license. The next page will tell you how long do you have until your maintenance period expires. You can use TechCloud or Tech.com to buy maintenance extensions. Maintenance is a great way to get all the new features, bug fixes, performance improvements that a new version brings without having to pay the full price of buying a new license. Now let's look at some features directly in TekScope. We have introduced a new item in the file menu. Now you have access to the most recent files you opened in TekScope. This comes handy when you work with multiple files and want to quickly switch between them. We have also improved the support for fast frames. Now, if you acquire fast frames compatible waveform from a connected scope or from an offline file, you will see new measurement badges. You can use them to move between frames or overlay them. And last but not the least, this version 2.4 supports MSO 3000 scopes.